Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. In this video we're going to look at how we can cast from our students or our participants up to the LED. So casting is where we send the entire contents of the screen, so whether it's a browser, a Word doc, a Google Slides, a Sheets, it doesn't matter. You can send that up to the LED in real time. So let's go ahead and take a look at exactly how we do that. So the first thing that I'm going to do on my Chromebook here is I'm going to join the session. So I've already put in my name, the session ID, and I'm going to hit join. Now you'll see if I bring this over to the camera that what's going to pop up is the casting window. So you've got to tell the students just to double click on that casting window, and that will allow them to send their screen over to the LED when the teacher chooses. Now what's important here is the teacher always has control over who's casting at the screen. So how do we go about casting? Well, I'm just going to open some different content here. So I'm going to head over to a news site. So on my Chromebook here, I'm now showing the BBC News site. If the teacher wanted to cast my Chromebook up to the LED, it's a straightforward process. You click on the people icon where you can see all of your students. There's only me, there's only one in this particular session. All I have to do is double tap there, and my screen, if I scroll down, you can see is live on the LED. So I'm casting from my Chromebook up to the LED. Really, really simple. To switch back, simply tap the screen, and down the bottom I have a couple of X's there, and I can move out of that casting mode. The low, medium and high, these are the bandwidth options. So if you have a really good network connection, you can click on the high and get a real high quality of cast on your LED, and the inverse. If you have a bad network connection, you can drop that down just to make sure that the feature always works. At the top of the screen, we also have add all to multicast, and I can do that by clicking on that box. If I had more than one student, you would see that they would populate in the corners of my screen. I've only got one in this session, and if I had more than 4, I'd be able to just scroll through, and at any point, double tap, it comes full screen, tap, hit those X's again, and you can exit out of that multicast mode. So very, very convenient and way of casting the student screens up to the LED. We recommend that you use the Chrome browser for this. You can also do it in Firefox, and we support Windows, Mac, and Chrome for casting. Your mobile devices currently are not supported due to limitations of the browsers that they take. So your cell phones and your tablets, you're not able to cast up to the LED. So it's just those Windows, those Mac, and those Chrome boxes, and of course Linux if you use that. There's no limit to how many students you're able to cast into the LED from a session. And as I said, if you have more than 4 connected in multicast mode, you can just scroll through and double tap if you want to see that student full screen. If you've enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.